Good morning, it's Lindsay Grammont, aka The Homemade Mommy, and I blog over at homemademommy.net. You can subscribe to my IGTV or my YouTube channel at HMadeMommy, and I hope you will click that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my awesome tips. So today I wanted to share with you 5 simple recipes for non-toxic cleaning at your home. You do not need toxic chemicals to have a clean home. Bleach and all those other things really contribute to childhood asthma. They cause me problems. You know how I've always suffered with asthma and much better now, really if I avoid all of these kinds of things. So these are super simple to make. First, I'm going to show you how to make a simple grout scrub, kind of like a bathtub scrub, even a toilet scrub, something that is more abrasive, because this is one of those things that's hard to find something that's really going to work. This super works well. I get about a cup of baking soda. I'm using a little pint-sized container here. I'm going to dump that baking soda in. And then for a little added power, it's not required, but I absolutely love this trick. The Thieves automatic dishwashing powder is really awesome for adding to this recipe. So I like to add just like a couple of tablespoons just for that little boost. I think of it like a booster. I mean, I love it for my dishwasher, but I really like how it adds the boost. It's so bright, you really can't see that. Anyway, then I fill that halfway into my little pint-sized container, and then I'm gonna get some of this Thieves cleaner. If you don't have any of this, it's amazing. You can do so many things with it, which I'm gonna show you today. It's a concentrate, so it's really much more powerful than using just a few drops of essential oil and vinegar or whatever, which I don't think smells very nice, to be honest. This smells amazing. So I'm gonna pour a bunch of this, fill it up basically the rest of the way with the Thieves cleaner, okay? So you can see it here, blah, 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 blah. All right, and then I'm gonna add in, oh, here we go. I'm gonna add in about 20 drops of lemon. So lemon, we know, is such an amazing cleaner, really gets the grime out. So I'm gonna put a bunch of drops of lemon in there and then stir this up. And I've got my soft scrub. Oops, I spilled a little bit. Stir that up and then see if I want to add any more. I think actually we're pretty good. I might add some more baking soda. You want it to be not too thin, but also not too clumpy. So get it the consistency that you want. I like it to be a little bit thicker than this, but my baking soda's over there. So I'm gonna add a bit more baking soda to this. You can see how it's pretty thin right now. But you want about half and half Thieves cleaner to baking soda. And then that will fill the entire container with your soft scrub. So that's that. Now, one little trick that I have to help out with anyone else who needs to make these recipes is I actually will write the recipe on the top of the container so that it's super easy for someone to make it again if, like, I'm not here or something and it's run out, because then you don't want someone to run out to the store and buy something toxic just because they don't know how to make whatever it is that you want to make. All right, now I'm going to make a little bit of a glass cleaner. You can use a pretty glass bottle like this, or you can use a really gross plastic bottle from Home Depot or whatever. We use both. So I'm going to do it in this little one for now. I want to do about a teaspoon of vinegar. That really helps with the, getting the glass clean. I love adding vinegar to this particular recipe. And then I'm going to add a little bit, like a half teaspoon of the Thieves cleaner. Oops, that's a little much. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of citrus fresh. A lot of different citrus oils in here, just smells really good, super great for cleaning. So 5 drops of that. And then I just fill the rest with distilled water, and I've got my simple glass cleaner. And I do the same recipe in this bigger bottle, and I just fill it with water. It's a little more diluted, but I mean, you can vary it as you want. For an all-purpose cleaner, again, using my good hardcore cleaning bottles here. I know people do all the fancy ones, but honestly, glass can break, and I've got a toddler. So I am fine using the plastic. I've been using the same plastic spray bottle for years, and it has not disintegrated, okay? So for an all-purpose cleaner, it's really simple. Again, super cleaning. This is what I use to clean the table after we eat breakfast or dinner, clean my countertops, everything. So I just basically put a cap full of the Thieves Cleaner, and then fill the rest with water. Super simple. You can add a little lemon if you want. I don't, but that's that. If you want something super heavy duty that's gonna clean mold and mildew and disgusting nasty stuff, I'm gonna show you that magical recipe right now. I'm not gonna pour it all in because I already have a little bit made here, but this is like strong, okay? Like if you need something super strong, super degreasing, okay? You are going to pour 2 cups, about 2 cups of the Thieves Cleaner, and then an entire bottle of Thieves essential oil into the spray bottle, and that's what you're gonna clean with, okay? So that's your super powerful mold and mildew cleaner, okay? And last but not least, an oven cleaner. I think I'm giving you a bonus recipe now. The oven cleaner, guess what? It's the same, it's this one. The one we already made, the soft scrub that we made for the bathroom, you can also use to scrub on your oven door and scrub inside the oven, and it is super, super awesome. It works so well. So hope you enjoyed all of those cleaning recipes. I think he gave you 5 or 6, and you can subscribe again to my YouTube at HMadeMommy, and you can subscribe to my IGTV on the same spot. Hope you enjoyed the tips today. See you later. Bye-bye. Dogs barking in the background as usual.